Oh, motherfucker. Oh, yeah. You heard in the nuclear hump. I'm just getting a video of his nuclear hump. Mini broom with a nuclear hump. Big brain air. Big brain looking air. Big forehead looking air. Pinhead looking air. Nuclear hump. Big brain's going off. Pinhead, bro. Bottle of fucking piss. What the piss? Piss. Piss. Fucking piss, nigga. What the fuck? Fucking can smell the. That works. Smell the piss, I swear from you. I'd have a fucking jerry can full. That's a full oil bottle full. I'm getting bites. Yep, it's book set. Swimming straight at me. Nah, he's little. Oh, it's got a nuclear hump. Little snapper. Show the camera. A nuclear hump. I'll grab a photo. You barely set him. If you hold me.
Punkfish project, lip piercing,
Emo style, lad. Oh, motherfucker. Oh, yeah. You heard in the nuclear hump. I'm just getting a video of his nuclear hump. Mini broom with a nuclear hump. Big brain air. Big brain looking air. Big forehead looking air. Pinhead looking air. Nuclear hump. Big brain's going off. Pinhead, bro. You're not the smartest. What the fuck? is released. That makes it 10 times better. Fucking big head, no brain.
Fucking flaps back up onto the bench.
Pinhead, bro. That's the best commentary. Fucking Pinhead, bro. Someone in this can't wait that was. Fucking pilchard sushi.
That's pretty much like what herring is like.
Yeah. Now people don't eat herring, they use it for bait.
No, people eat herring, bro.
Really?
Yeah.
What? It's shit.
Yeah, and mackerel and shit as well.
Now Spanish mackerel's good.
Yeah.
But
Mackerel
shoot.
tits.
No. Yeah,
What's this?
that's not good. Yeah. Pinhead, bro.
Got some?
Is it good? Oh! Oi, I'll grab my measuring tape.
Yeah.
Oh, where's me bag? Did I bring it?
Yeah, it's on the top roof.
Fuck. Oi, he's good.
Jeez.
Oh, shit. Oh! Where is my the dad leaving the car? I don't think I bring it. Wait. I measured how big this is. Bring it here. I measured how big this is. Bring it down here. Put it on this. Here. From this to this is 45. No, it'd be bigger. Probably 30. Oh. No, it's probably 30. It's nice and healthy. There you get a release. Revive him. Fortnite revive, boys. He's ready to go. Woo! Yeah.